Hello children, Namaste. As a part of learning phonic sounds, today we are going to learn the letters O and P. This is capital O and this is small o. O sounds O. O sounds O. O is for orange. O is for onion. O is for ostrich. O is for ox. Let us learn a small phonic rhyme on the sound O. Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. It's time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. O after P. This is capital P and this is small p. And P sounds P. P sounds P. P is for pot. P is for pen. P is for parrot. P is for peacock. Now, shall we learn a small phonic rhyme on the sound P? Will you sing with me? Okay, let us learn. P is for parrot. 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 P is for parrot. P is for pot. Pot. P is for pot. P is for pen. Pen. P is for pen. So children, what have we learned today? The phonic sounds and rhymes of the letter O and P. So children, all of you have learned well and practice at home.